Hi everyone, we can continue exercise 5e. Now we can do question number 18 onwards. So question number 18, 1 by 4 into a plus b the whole square minus 9 by 16 into 2a minus b the whole square. 1 by 4 we can write it as what? 1 by 2 square, no? 2 square into a plus b the whole square minus 9 we can write it as 3 square divided by 16 also 4 square into 2a minus b the whole square. If you don't want this step, you can avoid that step. Directly you can write, no? So how can we write this? A plus b by 2 the whole square we can directly write. That means how we are writing this directly? So we are doing one more step. This means what? 1. 1 into a plus b whole square is a plus b the whole square divided by 2 square into 1 is 2 square. Numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. Since it is this bracket means it is into, no? Minus same thing here 2a minus b whole square means 2a minus b whole square by 1. Same numerator into numerator 3 square into 2a minus b the whole square divided by denominator into denominator means 4 square. Okay. So you can avoid these two steps. Directly if you can write. So this can be written as a plus b by 2 the whole square. From this if you know directly means you can write this. Same way here minus 3 square 2a minus b whole square separate squares, no? So we can combine that. So it will be 3 into 2a minus b divided by 4 the whole square. This is in the form of what? A plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, where a is equal to, here a is equal to what? Here a is equal to a plus b by 2 and b is equal to 3 into 2a minus b by 4, that is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So how can we write this? A plus b. So a is what? A plus b by 2a plus b. So 3 into 2a minus b by 4. A plus b into a minus b. A minus b means a plus b by 2 minus of 3 into 2a minus b by 4. A plus b into a minus b. Okay. So simplify that taking LCM. LCM will be what? So here no need of Vedic math, I think so. Directly you can take the LCM. So LCM do in the working column. 2, 4. It will be the LCM 2, 1, here 2. So LCM is 4. So a plus b by 2 into 2, here also 2. Okay. Then plus 4 is the LCM. So 3 into 2a minus b by 4 itself. Here. Then same way 2 and 4. Here also LCM will be what? 4 itself. So make the denominator 2 as 4. So we want to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So into 2 divided by 2 minus 3 into 2a minus b by 4. Nothing to multiply. So numerator into numerator, that is 2 into a plus b divided by 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 2a minus b by 4. Then same way here, numerator into numerator, 2 into a plus b by 2 into 2, 4, then minus 3 into 2a minus b divided by 4. So same denominator means we can add the numerator. So next step, same denominator, add in the numerator 2 into a plus b plus 3 into 2a minus b. Then here, same thing here also, same denominator 4, numerator 2 into a plus b minus 3 into 2a minus b. Then change the brackets. So 2 into a plus b will be, change the brackets. So it will be 2a plus 2b plus 3 into 2. 6a minus 3b divided by 4, then into, so otherwise you can write what bracket itself, into 2 into 8, 2a plus 2b, they are also changing the brackets, minus 6a plus 3b divided by 4. Okay, then 4 into 4, 16 we can write, so that we can take outside, denominator 60, so numerator it will be 1 divided by 16, remaining 2a plus 6a we can write it as 8a, no, 8a, then 2b minus 3b is minus b, 8a minus b, then here 2a minus 6a is what, minus 4a, then plus 2 plus 3, 5b, that 4 and 4 we take outside, so 1 by 16 into 8a minus b into minus 4a plus 5b, so minus is here, so we can rearrange that as 8a minus b, first we can take positive sign, so we can rearrange it as 5b minus 4a, that is your answer. Okay. Question number 19, 2 into ab plus cd minus a square minus b square plus c square plus d square. So, a square, b square, c square, d square. If we change the brackets, we will get it as a plus b whole square form or a minus b whole square form. So, we can change the bracket first. So, 2ab plus 2cd minus a square minus b square plus c square plus d square. So, which two we can combine? 2ab is there. So, here a square minus b square is there. So, how can we combine that? Here also c square plus d square is there. Here 2cd is there. So, these three we can write in terms of what? C plus d whole square. These three. 2cd, c square, d square. This is in the form of c plus d whole square. No? C plus d whole square is what? C square plus 2cd plus d square. Same thing only here. No? C square, d square, then 2cd. So, these three we can write it as what? Together we can write. That is better, I think so. C square first we can write. Then plus 2cd, then plus d square. Then remaining what? Minus a square, then plus 2ab minus b square. Okay, so if we take one minus here, this can be expressed as what? C plus d the whole square. Then if we take one minus, it will be what? Minus common means remaining a square. This plus will become minus 2ab. Minus will become plus b square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. So, replace this as a plus b whole square. What we have done here, same thing we are doing here also. So, c plus d whole square minus, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. So, this is what? A square minus b square. Here a is equal to c plus d and b is equal to a minus b. So, a plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. Same thing, no? So, how can we write this? A square minus b square. So, c plus d plus a minus b. A plus b into a minus b means c plus d. Minus is there. So, we want to put a bracket. Minus a minus b. So, c plus d plus a minus b into, change the bracket, c plus d minus a plus b. So, c plus d plus a minus b into c plus d minus a plus b. Okay. Last question, 20. Find the value of 9,987, no, not 98. 987 square minus 13 square. 4 questions are there. First question is 987 square minus 13 square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. So what we want to write? This is in the form of a square minus b square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. Here a is equal to 987 and b is equal to 13. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. No, this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here itself you write, no problem. Okay, instead of writing here, write there itself. Then write the question. 987 square minus 13 square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 987 plus 13 into 987 minus 13. So 987 plus 13 is what? 987 plus 13, 1000. 1000 into 987 minus 13 is 974. No? 974. So how can we multiply? 974 into 1 is 974. Put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So that is the answer. First one. Then second one. Second question, 67.8 square minus 32.2 square. This is also in the form of a square minus b square. It is a plus b into a minus b, that you should write. Here a is equal to 67.8 and b is equal to 32.2. So 67.8 square minus 32.2 the whole square is equal to, how can we write? 67.8 plus 32.2 into 67.8 minus 32.2. So how can we add that? Do in the working column. Don't make mistake. 67.8 plus 32.2. 0. Balance 1. 8. 8 plus 2. 10. 0. Again balance 1. 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay. So 100. 100 into, what about 67.8 minus 32.2? 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 2, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. 35.6. So 35.6. How can we, how can we multiply this? 35.6 into 100. First, don't think about the zeros or decimal places. 356 into 1 is what? 356. Then 2 zeros we want to add. Then after that, remove one decimal place. So remove one decimal place. So 3560 is the answer. Second one. Then third question, 6.7 whole square minus 3.3 whole square. Here also this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. A is equal to 6.7 and b is equal to 3.3. So this we can write it as 6.7 plus 3.3 a plus b into a minus b is what? 6.7 minus 3.3 divided by same 6.7 minus 3.3. So we can cancel the 6.7 minus 3.3 and 6.7 minus 3.3 directly. No need of subtracting. So this balance will be 6.7 plus 3.3. So do in the working column 6.7 plus 3.3. So 7 plus 3, 10, 0, balance 1, 6 plus 4, 10. So 10.0, that is 10. Okay. Then last question, question number 4. Fourth question, 18.5 whole square minus 6.5 whole square divided by 18.5 plus 6.5. Same as the previous question. This is in the form of a square minus b square, where a is equal to 18.5 and b is equal to 6.5. So this can be written as a square minus b square. How can we write? A plus b into a minus b. So it will be 18.5 plus 6.5 into what? 18.5 minus 6.5 divided by 18.5 plus 6.5. So 18.5 plus 6.5 here also. So numerator and denominator we can cancel. Remaining is 18.5 minus 6.5. So subtract that 18.5 minus 6.5. So 5 minus 5, 0. So 8 minus 6 is 2, then 1. So 12.0. So that is 12. Okay. So thank you all of you. So we have completed the chapter 5 factorization. Next class onwards we can do the new chapter. Thank you all of you.